Hello everybody. So this vlog is the official kickoff of my moving vlogs because we officially have 2 weeks until we move. So I just finished work. This was my work from home attire. This onesie that I got from Shein. So right now I'm about to change into my two-piece that I got from Look Bookstore. So I'm gonna be wearing this and we are going to head out shopping. So we're gonna check out Homesense, Dollarama. I think we're gonna do Marshalls and Winners. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I just wanted to come up and say hello to everyone. And let's get this shop with me started. So I'm all dressed, I'm grabbing my keys. I'm actually pretty excited because I'm using my roommate's car today, well, her SUV. I washed her kids today, and because I have to run errands and I have my kids, we swapped vehicles. So you guys won't be hearing any rumbling if I decide to vlog in the car. And her SUV is way bigger than my car, so we have lots of space to put our goodies in. I'm actually gonna tell everybody to go pee. My house is like a mess because we're moving. Please don't mind the mess. But yeah, I'm here telling everybody to go pee. I should go pee before we leave because I actually have to go pee. I'm looking for my purse. My good old Coach bag that I thrifted. And yeah, let's go. You guys, Christmas stuff. So excited. Look. Oh. Oh my god, you guys, look at the pink Christmas trees. Oh. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. I'm here with all the kids. Go ahead. No touching. My little vlogger over there. So let's actually go look at the stuff that I actually came here for, but there's no way I could come in here and not look at the Christmas stuff. I need curtain panels, so we're gonna go look for that.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens.
Good morning, everybody. So it is Sunday. It's actually 8:15, so I'm about to sign in for work. I start at 8:30. I'm working till 5 today, so I have a really long day. Yesterday we did a little bit of shopping. I didn't get to film as much content as I wanted to because my phone ran out of storage. And apologies for the last couple clips of the audio. I was not using my vlogging phone. I was using my main phone just because the camera quality is better. And yeah, the microphone doesn't work as well. I need to get a new phone. Little Alex is up with me. Amaya's sleeping. She had a little sleepover with my roommate's daughter yesterday. They were watching The Corpse's Bride. So yeah, I'm just going to finish my tea. After I'm done work, I am going to show you guys what I did buy at Homesense. We also stopped at Walmart, so I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I bought from there. Guys, I'm officially ready for Christmas. When I went to Homesense yesterday and I seen all the Christmas decor, I was like in heaven. Obviously I did buy a few things, which I'm going to show you. What else did I want to tell you before I have to sign in for work? So the next couple of vlogs on my channel are going to be moving vlogs, and then starting November, I'm going to start pushing Christmas content. I know it's early for some people, but Christmas starts November for me. Well, technically it starts like in October, but yeah, I just wanted to give that little announcement. And yeah, I'm going to finish my tea, sign in, do my work, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Good morning, guys. So it's actually the next day. I wasn't able to show you guys my haul yesterday because after work I was totally exhausted, and basically I had to do some chores, get the kids ready for bed, dinner, all that fun stuff, and I went to sleep at like 8:30. So it's actually 8 o'clock now. I start work in a half an hour, so I just want to quickly show you guys what I got from Homesense and Walmart. Alexandria is up, so you will hear her in the background. So we're gonna start with Homesense. So I'm gonna start off with what I actually went to Homesense for, which was for curtain panels. So I got these ones. They're super cute, super shabby chic. So for my new apartment, the look that I'm going for is obviously princess cottagecore, like my whole style. And when I saw these, I'm just like, oh my god, I need them. I'm gonna bring them closer so you guys can see. So it does have like this kind of fur detailing, like furry detailing. It looks super cute. I'm gonna bring it up so you can see the picture. So that's what it's gonna look like hung up. So each pack comes with 2 panels, and I paid $29.99, and I bought 2 of these. And these I bought for the living room. Now I noticed that in the picture it is kind of see-through, so what I might do is I might go to the dollar store and get like a white curtain to put behind it so that you can't like see in my house, kind of like this one. Like this one I got from the dollar store, so I might get another one like this and then put this one on top so that it's not as see-through. But I seen this and I'm like, I definitely need it, so I got 2 of those. I also got, guys, look at this. So it's actually a cheese board and knife set, and it's in the shape of a reindeer. So I'm gonna use this as a cutting board, and I guess if I ever decide to do a cheese board, it comes with these extra utensils. But when I seen this, I'm just like, oh my god, Christmas. I'm moving November 1st, and anybody that knows me knows that I start my Christmas decor November 1st. It works out perfectly. So as I'm unpacking, I will be doing decoration for Christmas. So when I seen this, I'm like, this is definitely appropriate. I got this for $24.99. Now it is a little bit on the pricier side, but I'm a little bit extra. But for Christmas, guys, for Christmas, yeah. I think it's worth it. And it's really like durable. It's really thick, so it's not like a cheap material, so it's not gonna like break on you. They had different ones, like they had ones that were in the shape of a circle with like gold antler ears on them, and I asked Amaya which one she liked better, and she said she liked this one. The next thing I got was this Bake Shop nutcracker. So it comes with the spatula, and then it comes with 3 cookie cutters. One is the shape of a candy cane, a nutcracker, and a star, and a tree. I love the nutcracker. Amaya loves the nutcracker. We literally listen to the playlist all year round. We watch it all year round. And obviously for Christmas, the theme that I'm going with is Nutcracker Land of Sweets every year. So this is definitely appropriate just because we are going to be doing a lot of baking. I love baking. Amaya loves baking. I paid $7.99 for this, which I think is a good price because you get the spatula and then you get 4 shaped cookie cutters. So that's pretty good. The last thing I got from Homesense, guys, I seen this and I couldn't leave it. was this mug set. Look at it. Oh my god. It's so adorable. So it's this Miss Rudolph set. So it comes with a bowl and a mug. I paid $7.99 for this. They had different ones. They had a Nutcracker one, so I was debating between the Nutcracker and the Rudolph one, but I kind of like the Rudolph one. Like, I know I'm not married, but whatever. Well, you know what? I'm married to Jesus. It doesn't matter. But I seen this and I had to pick it up. It's super cute and I can't wait to use her. That's all we got from Walmart. That's all we got from Homesense. Now, I'm going to show you guys what we got from Walmart. What I'm about to show you, I'm so excited because last year I was on the hunt for these and I could not find them. And like, they were all over Instagram and it seemed like only Target carried them. And lo and behold, guys, I went to Walmart and they had pink nutcrackers. Guys, I was screaming in Walmart. People thought I was crazy. So obviously I got two, one for the girls and one for me, guys. I'm so happy that I found these because I literally was gonna buy them on eBay and they're super, super expensive on eBay. And I paid $16.99 for these. So I'm really happy that I found these. I might go back for more. So if you are in Canada and you're looking for pink nutcrackers, Walmart has them, but I would advise that you get them now because by next month, they're most likely gonna be gone because when I was looking for them last year, I couldn't find them. So my babies. I can't wait. And I actually have a white nutcracker that I bought from Homesense. So I'm so excited, guys. I know it's October, but like Christmas. The last items I got were for Ava. For those of you that don't know, I am 32 weeks pregnant and I'm having another girl and I named her Ava. Well, I shouldn't say I named her. My sister, who's her godmother, named her. So the last items I got were for her. I got her some clothes because Walmart always has really cute baby clothes for like super affordable. So I got her this really cute onesie that says sister. I got this in the size newborn. I normally don't get a lot of newborn items. I usually get like a few and then I get 0 to 3. So I'm gonna put this in her hospital bed because I don't know if I'm gonna take her home in this or not. And I got paid $8.97 for this. It's really, really cute. It has cute, it's really fall inspired. Has like little cute flowers and hedgehogs on them, super cute. I also got her this sleeper, which I thought was super adorable. It has apples and pears on it. I got this in size 0 to 3 and I paid $8.97. And then the last outfit I got was this onesie set, which I found super, super cute. I paid $7.97 and it comes with 3 onesies. So we have this one here, which has like little flowers on it. This one is just a regular pink one. And then we have this one with like cute little hedgehogs. That's the end of my little shop with me haul. I did want to record more content, but again, my phone that I was using, I wasn't using my vlogging phone, I was using my main phone and it ran out of space, so it kind of ruined my whole shopping trip. But I hope you guys did enjoy what I was able to capture. I hope you guys liked the haul. Comment down below what was your favorite item. For sure my favorite item was the pink nutcrackers. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!